give licenses is not with the corporation, as Uday and all have said. We cannot do anything about that. If they are here and we have to collect the garbage, no, it's not really like it's not an issue. All the garbage is treated and whatever thing they're paying for. So it's not a problem.
jurisdiction का पड़े ना नदी
What? What about licensing? What Uday said is correct. We have not brought this thing. We have not brought the casinos into Manchester.
what are
Rohit, the market issue, that is the third phase still did not been started.
फटी
Yeah, so that third phase also now. We have applied to TCP basically. See, we are applying for zone change. So we want extra FIR to benefit the people also, right? We want more shops, we want more revenue and everything coming to the corporation. So that is also in process.
But it is already in process of.
It is in process. It's in process.
So what are you asking voters this time?
No, see, what I want to ask is just vote for what you see and what you feel that is correct. Now, we have been there consistently for 5 years. Okay? We have not left the city. Minister's office has been open throughout the year. Our office has been open throughout the year. The moment there are issues, we resolve all those issues. See, we are not appealing based on emotions. That is not what we want at all. We are asking you to just see. I remember 5 years ago, right? People had not seen a single CCP worker on the roads. They did not know who the supervisor was. There was garbage all over the place. We came there and we changed all of that. My staff wake up at 6 in the morning. I'm there in the morning to check on them. At 6:30, we see, Papa, what has happened through Pancham also now. See, now if your Prime Minister also acknowledges your state and the population, no, it's not a small thing. It's a big thing. Out of a population of 1.5 billion people, if he acknowledges your city, it's something to be proud of, right? So we are working towards that.
So it's Panjigar against casino movement will impact upcoming CCP election.
See, that again, I told you, it is all politics. They have an India, they have the intention to shut casinos, then they should do whatever they feel is correct. They cannot target the corporation. We have nothing to do with it at all. Let them go to the ministers and chief minister and everything. We'll have actual control over it.
कसिनो लागून पणजीकरांना त्रास होता तो सपोर्ट करता काय
See, that is my stand on the casinos is clear. I have told you 100 times, it is not changing also. If there is an alternative to the casinos in Panjim, I'm more than happy to take it. But until then, until our businesses, until our locals, until our boys and all benefit from it and they have jobs, and see, these people now know, tell them to go to the casinos outside and tell them every goon who comes out, no, tell them that these people have no right to feed their families and all. See if they do that also.
So today we have not seen Babush Monser.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन बाबूश पंचरा कोणचे एमएलए तू मेयर असला पण पणजीचा मार्केटचा इशू अजून रिझॉल्व जावूच ना त्यांची मार्केट इशू
Bro, that issue has been there for 25 years. See, I'll give you. See, now that issue also, no, that had progressed nowhere. Even when Suren was here, that issue had not progressed anywhere. It was us that basically got all the paperwork done. He used to shout. See, Suren would start every meeting now with a list of all the things that have not been done. I see that thing now as a list of all of his failures. Whatever he has not acknowledged, we have done during our tenure. So that is all I want to say.